everyone, I'm jdflutes. I hope everyone is having a wonderful day today. I'm just doing a sound sample on an Aromatic Cedar A tuned to 528 Hz. 528 Hz is the frequency of love. This particular flute here is a customer's flute, and I made it with a 7/8 of an inch bore. It's been bored out using a gun drill. The wood's not been split. The finger holes, as you can see, are small, and they're close together. Anyone can play this flute. For the fetish, it has one stone on the fetish, a high quality genuine turquoise stone, and it's wrapped with soft deer leather, gold. Folks, this flute right here is awesome. I really enjoy playing this flute. These flutes here, this one here is a shiny finish, but they will come oil if that's what you would like. An oil finish flute will be much cheaper than a shiny finish. Up on the bottom of the flute, it will have jdflutes A 528 Hz. It's right on the bottom. Very nice. But this flute here is awesome, folks. I could play it all day long. It's wonderful, wonderful. Everyone out there needs to get to experience playing this little flute. I love it. Let me know what you all think. Like I said, I'm just going to do a sound sample. I'm not going to play much with it. If you would like to purchase one of these flutes, I'll have my contact information below the screen and also at the end of this video. Just give me a phone call or simply give me an email. Shoot me an email and I'll send you a list of prices along with the options. This flute right here is concert tuned. It's recording quality. It is super clear, folks. There is no air in this flute whatsoever. But like I said, you all just let me know what you think. And I would love for each and every one of you to get to experience playing this flute. It takes very little breath. Very little breath. It's awesome to play. I hope you have a wonderful day. Be safe. And I'll see you all later.